Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through creating your first map with the ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 OMNI. If you're interested in the T80, the link to it will be in the video description. So first thing we have to do is go ahead, enter into the T80 settings. And front and center, we have a map your home option, so we can select that. They have tips and tricks in regards to preparing your home environment. So make sure it's in the station, organize any obstacles that are scattered on the floor, open all the doors in the cleaning areas that you want. Do not move the station during mapping. And during mapping, the robot will lift the mops and not avoid carpets so as to explore more areas. So keep that in mind. They walk you through a couple of those checklists right there. But basically, prep your floor and environment, leave it in the station, get it where you want the station to be initially, and then select Start Mapping. And now it's going to be dispatched and go all throughout your house, creating its map. So give it a couple of minutes. And then when it's all done, it'll return back to the station and you'll have a map populated that then you'll be able to edit. You could add no-go zones, things along those lines. But take a look in real time as it's moving around throughout the house. It's already starting to populate the map. All right, so take a look at that. It wasn't even like 5 minutes of mapping and it got multiple rooms and everything looks great. So room 3 is a room 1's a bathroom, room 4 is the main room, kitchen's a kitchen, room 2 is basically like an entryway, and then where it says room in blue, that's actually a stairwell, which is interesting. But again, it has made the map right now. They have a little prompt showing you how to use the map, how to rotate it, all of those settings you can click through right there. But there we go. We have just made our first map. Simple, straightforward. Depending on how big and large your square footage is, expect anywhere between like 5 and 10 minutes to get your house mapped.